In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your resume on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where your current resume lives inside LinkedIn, how to remove an outdated file, and how to upload the fresh version that recruiters will see when you use Easy Apply. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page and select the Me icon. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the area where all your account controls live. On the left side, open the Data Privacy section. Here, scroll to find Job Seeking Preferences and select Job Application Settings. This is the dedicated page for the resumes you use with LinkedIn's Easy Apply, which is separate from the information on your public profile. On the Job Application Settings page, you'll see any resumes you've previously uploaded. Find the one you want to replace. Click the three dots next to that file, then choose Delete. Confirm the deletion if LinkedIn asks. This removes only the stored resume used for job applications. Your profile remains unchanged. Now it's time to add your updated version. Click Upload Resume. A file picker will open so you can select your resume from your computer. Choose the correct file and confirm. LinkedIn typically supports common formats like PDF, Doc, and DOCX. For best results, use a clean, final PDF if your formatting is important, or a well-structured DOCX that's friendly for parsing. Keep the file size within LinkedIn's limits and give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, like Resume Job Title Year. After the upload finishes, you should see your new resume listed. That means it's ready to be used the next time you click Easy Apply on a job posting. If you ever notice a typo or make a new achievement, just repeat this process. Remove the old file and upload the improved one so your applications always reflect your latest experience. A few quick tips as you finalize your document. Avoid embedding sensitive personal details, keep your contact info current, and tailor the resume to the type of roles you're targeting. Short, scannable sections with strong keywords help both recruiters and applicant tracking systems understand your fit quickly. That's it. Your LinkedIn resume is now updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your applications.